Team Creative Design, welcome back. Today we are doing a laundry room refresh. I have been doing some updates in my home and my laundry room had just gotten out of control. Things were cluttered. My younger son goes into the washroom and kind of just pulls washcloths out, so things had fallen all down. I had extra things that I needed to get rid of. So today I'm going to share that update with you. Did a couple of new things in the laundry room, and I also kept some of my old things and just kind of reused those and repurposed them. Some of the items that I'm using are from Walmart, Better Homes and Garden, and that was inspired by another YouTuber, Be My Guest with Denise, so I want to thank her for that inspiration. So guys, as you can see, some of the pieces I've gotten, the laundry baskets actually came from Ross. I found those and I actually love those because they store a lot of clothes. The pieces here that you see are from Walmart, Better Homes and Gardens. They're storage caddies. They actually have the cleaning caddy. This one, I chose not to put paws in. You can use them for multiple purposes, but I use mine to store my OxyClean or my Nellie's powder to keep my things nice and crisp and keep their color the way it's supposed to be. The one up top I actually use for a lint bin, but you can use it to put clothespins in it, whatever actually works for you. As you move through, you can see I also store my pods there. I have some things that are for extras, overflow fabric softener beads, my stain release pens. I actually have a lot and have a hard time figuring out how to store it. My husband loves to stockpile these things, but I'm blessed. I don't complain because he purchases all of our toiletries and cleaning supplies. So that's one less thing I have to do. I do have a couple of baskets and I use those for different purposes. One, I store his socks in because he gets dressed at night and doesn't like to wake me up. So it works for us. This that you see now is just quick things that I grab on hand to keep my laundry room clean and to do my laundry. I did purchase this rug from Walmart Better Homes and Garden section, and I'm going to actually do a little walkthrough for you guys. They have some amazing rugs in Walmart if you're looking for something that's cost effective and that's nice. The paint color here, I did do a new paint color. It's called Frappe, and it's by Sherwin Williams. It's at Lowe's. I'll put that in the description box. The chandelier that you just saw, I purchased it just to make me comfortable because that's my space and I love my laundry room to be cozy. These things, this basket up top also came from Walmart Better Homes and Gardens. I just used some clear bins here for things that I wanted to store, just toiletries, my sprays, my cleaning supplies. I have some things that I use for my personal need, hair things. Now my towels, I went to gray for the guys in the house and white for my daughter and myself. There's the cleaning caddy that I'm going to stock with my cleaning supplies. And guys, I like to be realistic. If the cleaning caddy needs to be moved, I will, because the towels thing may not work. I do have a 10-year-old. Those are my facial cloths there, guys, that I use to clean my face that I got from Aldi's, and I actually love those. So guys, here's just a quick walkthrough that I did for you all to be able to get a look at some of the rugs and the items that they have in Walmart's Better Homes and Gardens section. I know we're always in the stores, but a lot of times we don't pick up on the details if we're not looking for specific things. So if you're looking for a rug or something to put in your laundry room to give it a little pop of color, they actually have a lot of nice items. So as you can see, I tried to zoom in. It tells you what the runners are and it tells you the sizes so you can pick out what actually suits your space. Another area in Walmart that I actually walk you guys through is coming up here. I took you all through the laundry section. They have a lot of nice things in their laundry section, different size storage baskets. Those are the caddies at the bottom. That's going to be coming up that I actually purchased that I'm purposing now in my laundry room. And you can see the prices are very affordable. They have some amazing laundry ironing board covers here that you can use that are very cost effective. They have some steamers, and there are a few more items that I'm gonna grab. I do want to put a place for my ironing board to go in my laundry room on one of my walls, but I'm gonna order a protective hanger for my ironing board so that it doesn't mess up my walls. There's the basket that I'm using in my laundry room, and I actually love it. It has the leather handles. It has a nice clean and sleek look to it, so you can use it outside of a closet, on shelves. Here are some other hampers here. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick walkthrough. I hope you have enjoyed this refresh. I hope it's giving you inspiration to update your laundry room and make your space comfortable and cozy for you. I've put a Google Nest in my laundry room so that I can listen to music. So guys, once again, until next time, be blessed, and I will see you guys in the next video.